Hi everybody, we are going to be spending a couple hours at Disney today, and by we, I mean me. I'm going to show you what it's like to just spend a couple hours by yourself at the Magic Kingdom Resort as an annual pass holder, or even if you just want to come by yourself. Let's get to it. Another plus to an annual pass, Express line. Not that it matters now, but it makes me feel important. I wonder when the train's going to be back in service. Periscoping, and we are going to do our first ride of the day. Fast pass style, of course. We want the redhead. We want the redhead.
The gentlemen want the rum. Don't ya, boys?
Thank you so much. This is what dreams are made of, folks. Dreams are made of. Solo perk, no sharing your Dole Whip. It's all yours. All yours. Alright, so since this was a last minute trip, you know, I didn't get all the fast passes I wanted, but I got some. Like, we have Space Mountain next, but looked at the map and it looks like the aerial ride only has about a 10-minute wait, so I think we're gonna head that way. It's just peace and quiet. It's not that. What do you want me to buy? Oh wait, I don't have to buy anybody anything. Just 15 minutes. Yes, please, and it's air conditioned. The feeling of sweet bliss when that powerful air conditioning hits your face. That's Disney magic, folks.
Hell, that get unplugged. I'll just plug it back in.
So if you're coming here last minute, there's definitely a lot of quick options that you can get on that you never need to worry about a fast pass for if you're by yourself or with a group. That's PhilharMagic. The Little Mermaid ride is always a really quick wait. Winnie the Pooh usually is, and so is Small World. So if you just get a couple fast passes and then have those rides, I mean, you can really spend a good couple hours here by yourself or even with your family. Looks like they're getting ready for a show out here. Oh, there's a show on stage. All right, the humidity won. My hair's in a ponytail, but it's game time. It is Space Mountain time. You know it's cray when there's a big line for the People Mover. So I think your question might be, how is it to do Disney World by yourself? It's different. You know, sometimes you miss having other people to talk to, but I mean, it kind of let me enjoy a few more things too, because I'm not worrying about feeding somebody, making sure nobody's lost. I could definitely do this a couple times. I don't know if I'd spend a full day by myself, but a little mini trip like this, I would definitely do again. You know, kind of sad that they turned that into a Starbucks. I mean, yes, it's a Disney Starbucks, but I used to remember coming here as a little girl with my dad and him getting those big cinnamon rolls. I mean, we came to Disney quite a bit, but it's just one of those things that I remember is that Main Street Bakery. Somebody else in here remember that? How adorable. Oh my god, I saw this online. I want this so badly. This is just adorable. My goodness. And the mini, the money I could spend. I'm resisting the urge to buy this Dole Whip cup. It is literally life. That is my order. The Dole Whip swirl with the pineapple juice. Oh, I love the confectionery. Even if I don't buy anything, I just love walking in here. I gotta tell you though, their candy apple game is amazing. I mean, look at these. How adorable are those? Oh, they got people, I think, getting ready to make some more apples. Disney magic. Rice Krispies. But I mean, look at some of these treats over here. How cute. So Olivia loves BB-8, and they have these cute little BB-8 Rice Krispies. I'll have a happy girl. Alright, so I was here for a couple hours solo. It was successful. So we were able to do Haunted Mansion. I know I didn't fill all of it because my battery's dying, but Haunted Mansion, Pirates of the Caribbean, Space Mountain, PhilharMagic, The Little Mermaid, Small World, got some Dole Whip, and I'm good. That was a successful day. I mean, it's a little humid, but we'll definitely do it again. So if you don't already, please hit that red button down there and subscribe. Would love to bring you some more travel and Disney fun. But for now, we'll see you real soon. Bye! My inner child is screaming, I get to ride the pink one.